You know, this one's the holiday week, the Christmas week, and you are seeing pretty quietish a move on the index. We close in absolutely flat at that 12,282 level for the Nifty futures. The breadth though dwindled in favor of the declines, but again, not a huge gap really. We've closed in on that towards the latter part today. In terms of the losers, Yes Bank, Nestle, Reliance Industries and SBI have definitely been on the dragging end. On the flip side, there's been Z, Vedanta, Maruti, Hero Motocorp and HDFC, which have managed to hold in the green. From within the broader markets, the strength has come in from a Bosch, from a Tata Chemicals, Berger Paints, which has put on a very strong show, almost about 3% gain. Castrol, as well as Tata Global Beverages, which has been a star performer from the word go today, that also held out, although it's cooled off and given up most of its morning gains. On the flip side, though, the losses were with Idea, which lost about 4%. There's an NBCC, which lost about 3.5%. LIC Housing Finance and RBL Bank, along with Yes Bank, which have been some of the top losers today. Avan, what's been the fate of the newsmakers, though?
Well, a whole host of them then, Aisha. Let's start off first with Reliance Industries. Remember, the affidavit over the arbitral dues has been described as an abuse of power by RIL, but that's had a bearing on the stock. 1569 by the time we closed. You had those Sensex changes as well coming about. Nestle, Titan, Ultratech, they've joined the elite 30 share club. While Yes Bank, Tata Motors, Twins as well as Vedanta, they've seen an exit. Meantime, you've got GAIL as well, ET now getting you the exclusive news that they've been asked to pay up the dues to the tune of 1.5 lakh crores. Ultratech is also in the news for leading the race to buy Imami's cement business as per reports. India Mart buzzing away in trade. It's done phenomenally well since its listing, and just recently Jefferies has initiated coverage with a target price of 2,500 rupees. Prestige Estates and other newsmakers, GIC is going to pick up a stake in the company. Some of those shrimp stocks as well are surging as the prices are close to an annual high. And then there's Bharti Infratel, as we understand. The Infratel-Indus merger may not get the nod in time for the deadline, which is tomorrow. That said, we wrap up at 12,266, an absolutely listless market at hand, but nothing that's taken us by surprise. You've got the mid and the small caps as well doing precious little.